Japan is a land where ancient traditions meet futuristic innovation. From peaceful temples and steaming hot springs to buzzing neon cities and high-speed trains, Japan offers unforgettable adventures for every traveler. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 things you must see and do in Japan. Stay tuned until the end, because number 1 will give you a truly authentic Japanese experience. At number 10, we start in Tokyo with the world-famous Shibuya Crossing. This bustling intersection is often called the busiest crossing in the world, with thousands of people moving in every direction at once. Just a short train ride away is Shinjuku, home to towering skyscrapers, vibrant nightlife, cozy ramen shops, and endless karaoke bars. If you want to experience the energy of modern Japan, this is the place. Number 9 takes us to Kyoto, Japan's cultural heart. With over 1,000 temples and shrines, Kyoto is where you'll find the breathtaking Golden Pavilion, serene Zen gardens, and the iconic Fushimi Inari Shrine with its thousands of red torii gates winding up the mountainside. Kyoto is also one of the best places to spot a geisha strolling through the historic streets of Gion. Coming in at number 8 is Japan's most celebrated natural event, the cherry blossom season, or Hanami. Each spring, locals and visitors alike gather under blooming cherry trees to celebrate new beginnings. Whether you visit Ueno Park in Tokyo, Maruyama Park in Kyoto, or Hirosaki Castle in the north, experiencing cherry blossoms in full bloom is nothing short of magical. At number 7, speed across the country on the legendary Shinkansen, or bullet train. Reaching speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, these trains are not only incredibly fast, but also punctual, smooth, and comfortable. Whether you're traveling from Tokyo to Kyoto or Osaka to Hiroshima, the Shinkansen is an experience in itself. Number 6 is a must for food lovers, Japan's incredible food culture. From Michelin-starred sushi restaurants to street food stalls selling takoyaki and yakitori, Japanese cuisine is as diverse as it is delicious. Don't miss warming up with a steaming bowl of ramen, trying fresh sashimi at Tokyo's Toyosu Market, or spending an evening at an izakaya, Japan's version of a casual pub. Every meal is an adventure. Halfway through our list, number 5 takes us to Hiroshima, a city that has risen from tragedy with a powerful message of peace. Visit the Peace Memorial Park and Museum to learn about its history. Then take a short ferry ride to Miyajima Island, home to the famous floating torii gate of Itsukushima Shrine. It's one of the most photographed sites in Japan. At number 4, unwind the Japanese way by soaking in an onsen or natural hot spring. Found throughout the country, onsens are not just about relaxation, they're a cultural experience. Picture yourself bathing in steaming outdoor pools, surrounded by snowy mountains or lush forests. For something truly unique, head to Jigokudani to see snow monkeys enjoying the hot springs too. Number 3 is Japan's most iconic symbol, Mount Fuji. Whether you're hiking to the summit at sunrise or simply admiring its perfect reflection in Lake Kawaguchi, Mount Fuji is breathtaking from every angle. On clear days, you can even see it from Tokyo. It's a must-see on any trip to Japan. At number 2, dive into Japan's pop culture capital, Akihabara in Tokyo. This district is heaven for fans of anime, manga, and gaming. Explore towering arcades, themed cafes, and endless shops dedicated to collectibles and electronics. Even if you're not a hardcore fan, Akihabara is an eye-opening look at Japan's playful side. And finally, number 1. For the ultimate Japanese experience, spend a night in a traditional ryokan inn. Sleep on tatami mats, wear a yukata robe, soak in a private hot bath, and enjoy a multi-course kaiseki dinner prepared with seasonal ingredients. Many ryokans also offer a tea ceremony where you'll experience the art, mindfulness, and hospitality of Japanese culture. It's the perfect way to connect with Japan's traditions. From futuristic cities and world-class food to ancient temples and natural beauty, Japan offers experiences that stay with you forever. Which of these top 10 would you love to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more travel inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.